Hello, once again, welcome to your favorite channel, sayitcorrectly.org, where you can really learn nouns. Today we are going to speak about jobs and professions. Jobs and professions that are done at the workplace. It could be factories, could be schools, universities, banks, gas stations, hotels, and restaurants or dining rooms. So we're going to begin with a factory that manufactures or produces goods sold to the general public. Usually in a factory we have several departments. We have the production department, and then this is where the place where all the goods are produced or manufactured. And then we have the quality control department that controls the quality of the product. They make sure that everything complies or fulfills the requirements of the product that is distributed. Then we have a purchasing department. A purchasing department is the area where the buyers buy all the raw materials that we need to manufacture that special product of good that the factory distributes. Then we have a department of maintenance. The maintenance department is the one in charge of keeping up with the equipment, fixing it, keep it in good working order for the factory to work properly and make those goods that they need to sell. EHS, it's environment, health, and security, or safety, rather, safety. This is the department that makes sure that the employees and the hourly personnel or the salary personnel work under safe conditions and they are not taking unnecessary risks. Accounting. The accounting department is the department that counts the money, that pays all the employees, the salary personnel, and the hourly personnel. That's the two types of people working in a factory. The engineering department. The engineering department is the one that designs the product, and it is the one that keeps all the machinery and the programs running. Then we have human resources. Sometimes this is called human talent, and this is the guys that hire you, that take your resume. Remember, you have to give them your resume first. They analyze it and they hired you. They tell you you are hired, or the ones that fire you. These are two important words: to hire and to fire. When you come into work, you are hired, and when you are kicked out, to say then you don't work for the company anymore. The management. We have the people that are the directors, the CEO, the plant director or the plant manager, and then we have other managers such as the production manager, the quality control manager, the human resources manager, the logistics. Logistics make sure that everything is done properly with the right amounts, the right quantities, and they control basically the entire operation of production, sales, and distribution. Sales and distribution. Sales is the department that is in charge of distributing the goods around a certain area. It could be a country, or it could be a region that includes several countries. And they sell, they are the ones that take after the customers. We have a department that is called customer service. They take care of all the problems that they could have with the customers or claims that they could have. And basically that is what we call a manufacturing operation, and those are the departments that conform or form a factory. Then we're going to have another video on services. For example, hotels, banks, they provide different services like hospitals, on the health, and the restaurant industry. We're going to cover a little bit of that. So that will do it for today. This is, as I said, the real channel where you can learn nouns. So I will see you next time, okay? Have a nice day. Bye-bye.